Before Rolls-Royce became legendary, it began with one determined man. His name was Henry Royce. Henry was born into a poor family in England. Life was difficult from the very beginning. His family struggled to make ends meet. As a child, he worked to support the family. Every penny mattered, but he loved machines and tools. He was fascinated by how things worked. That curiosity would change history. As he grew older, he learned engineering skills. He paid attention to every tiny detail. Perfection became his obsession. Good enough was never enough. He believed quality always mattered. Eventually, he started his own company. The business made electrical equipment. Customers loved the quality. His reputation began to grow, but an even bigger opportunity was coming. At the time, automobiles were still new. One day, Henry bought a small car. He wasn't impressed with the road. The car felt unreliable and poorly made. He knew it could be better, so he decided to build his own. He started designing a better automobile. Every part was crafted with precision. He worked tirelessly. Soon, his first car was ready. The result was extraordinary. It was quiet and reliable. People immediately noticed the difference. His engineering standards stood out. News of the car began spreading. One person heard about it in particular. His name was Charles Rolls. He was a businessman and car enthusiast. Their meeting changed automotive history. A legendary partnership was born. Royce would build the cars. Rolls would sell them. Together, they shared one vision: to build the best car in the world. Production slowly increased. Quality remained the top priority. Henry personally checked details. Nothing escaped his attention. Customers loved the craftsmanship. Demand continued growing. Then came a game-changing automobile, the Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. It became famous worldwide. Many called it the best car ever built. Its reliability amazed everyone. Breakdowns became rare. Comfort was unmatched. Luxury reached a new level. The brand became a symbol of excellence. Wealthy customers wanted one. The company continued expanding. More vehicles were produced. Yet Henry never stopped improving. Innovation remained constant. He pushed engineering forward. Eventually, Rolls-Royce entered aviation. Its engines powered aircraft. The company gained global influence. From humble beginnings to worldwide success, it was an incredible journey. But Henry's greatest lesson wasn't engineering. It was commitment to excellence. Small details create big results. Quality builds trust. Trust builds great brands, and great brands create legacies. That legacy continues today. The name still represents excellence, all because one man refused mediocrity. His standards transformed an industry. Let's remember how it happened. Poor boy dreamed bigger. He mastered automobile engineering. He saw flaws others accepted. Then he built something better. A perfect partnership followed. The Silver Ghost changed everything. The brand became world famous. Excellence remained the foundation. And excellence remains the legacy. Henry Royce proved humble beginnings don't limit success. Vision can overcome obstacles. Perfection requires patience. Great products inspire generations. And that's how Sir Henry Royce built Rolls-Royce. Subscribe for more inspiring stories behind legendary brands.